Okay, so now I'm going to talk a little bit about when to post on Instagram. What is the optimal time to post? I'm only talking about this because it is a very common question with all social media platforms. However, if you remember back to when I told you about Snap Stories, you remember that Snapchat is not a normal social media platform. Let's go ahead and go back to my Stories tab. Once again, content is not organized in order that it was posted in. So what this means is there is really no optimal time to post or no bad time to post on Snapchat, simply because content lifespan lasts for 24 hours, which means for the entire day, if anyone logs onto their story tab, they are likely to see your Snapchat as long as they're not following a ridiculous amount of people, and they're most likely going to be viewing it. So it doesn't matter what time of the day you post is the main takeaway from this lecture, because it automatically does the same thing and posts to your story for 24 hours, which means it covers the entire day. Even when it comes to direct messaging, which is directly sending photos, chats, or videos to people, such as in your newsfeed window, the media lasts until someone views it. So you can see here, everyone has viewed everything I've sent because they're all hollow. If they were full icons, it means they hadn't viewed it yet. But everything you send on Snapchat pretty much gets viewed because there's a curiosity element to it. If someone sends me a photo, I don't know who it's from, and all I have to do is tap on it to see what it is, I'm most likely going to tap on it because I'm really curious at what this image is. And if I don't click it, there's no way I'll ever find out. So the best time to post and the best time to post stories on Snapchat is any time of the day you want.